can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. My music is so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. When I'm on too wild and too hype, it feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. Let me bust that funky lyrics. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that, now you know you want to dance. So move out of your seat and get a fire girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, pump a little bit and let them know what's going on like that. Like that. Hold on, let them know. Let them know. And this is a beat up, you can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? Yo, sound the bell, school is in, sucker. You can't touch this. Give me a song or rhythm, making them sweat. That's what I'm giving them now. They know. You talk about the hammer, you talking about a show that's hyped and tight. Singers are sweating so